In this tutorial, we're going to discuss how to back up the PWNT database using SQL Studio. It is a common practice to back up the database before you do any major upgrades or migrations, and also it's recommended to do it regularly just to prevent any data loss. Prior to making the backup, we need to know which database the ProWatch instance is actually connecting to. This is easily found by going to the bottom down here, clicking on your Windows Start menu. We're going to go to our ProWatch folder, and we're going to click on Registry Editor. This will pop up a small window of all the registry settings. Go ahead and expand it to the right. And we want to go down to Database Server. Note the database server name and the database name. Once you have that information, go ahead and close this window. Now we're going to go back to Windows Start. We're going to go to a Microsoft SQL folder, and we're going to click on Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. This will open up a connection window for us. Once this window opens, verify that it is the same server name that we just saw in the registry and click Connect. Over here on the left, we're going to expand databases, and here's our PWNT database. Right click on it, go to Task, and Backup. It's a fairly simple window. It shows us our database, its recovery model. We're going to do a full backup of the database. We're going to back it up to disk. This is the most common selected option. As you can see, by default, it goes into the Microsoft SQL Server folder. This is okay. However, a lot of companies do have their own dedicated backup folder for ProWatch backups. If you need to change this, just highlight it, click Remove. Now we're going to click the Add button, and then we're going to click the ellipses at the end. This will open up a file tree, and we're going to navigate to our backup section. In this case, we're just going to back it up straight to the C drive. Down here, we're going to give it a name. In this case, we recommend that you name it PWNT dash and then the date, just so you know when this backup was occurred. And we're going to end it in .bak. This is not required, but it does make it easier for it to actually find it if we need to search for this file later. Go ahead and click OK. And now you can see the path is there. Click OK again. And now when it has down here, back up to disk, and there's our path, C and then the file name. Go ahead and click OK down here at the bottom. And as you can see over in the left, it did a progress bar, and it says it completed successfully. This is a small database, so it was fairly quickly. On large databases, this can take several minutes. Go ahead and click OK. And now we're going to close, and we're going to go down and actually browse to that directory. In this case, it's C, and there's our backup file that we just created. For more videos, please visit https://honeywelldiscovertraining.com. Thank you.